Hello my dear friends and students. Are you from non-IT background or IT background, or you have the career gap? Okay. And still you want to make a career in IT sector without knowing the code. So don't worry about it my dear friends and students. We are launching the software testing course. Okay. It's not about only the course. Here we learn more practical. My dear friends, most of the time we face the interviewer directly asks to you, do you have the experience about the project or have you worked on the live project? So don't worry about it, because we will learn as per the interviewer need and with the practical things and live projects. One of the biggest challenges what we know the things, and whenever we go for the interview and the interview can ask to you, we couldn't explain that thing. So we will also help to you how we can crack the interview, right? The most important thing is what the interview, and also we will learn about how we can describe our skills in the resume. Okay, because the resume is our first impressions. Apart from this, we will also learn about one of the most popular bug tracking tool, that is the Jira, because most of the time the interviewer directly asks multiple questions about the Jira. Okay, so the class is not about only the course or the theoretical knowledge. Okay, it's a pure practical. We will learn about how we can work in the IT industry. So that's why we are taking the charges. Okay, as comparison to other institute, they charge it and directly they complete the course and you can go. Okay, so this is not about us. Okay, we are focusing how we can do the practical things. Okay, so once you are get selected, you will easily work in the IT environment. Okay, so here we learn how we work in the live IT sector environment, right? Now we talk about our course. So our course is based on the manual testing, database testing using the SQL, and API testing using the Postman, and it is the need of IT industry in the software testing field, right? And it would be the 20 live classes with practical knowledge. Okay, most of the institute, they are taking the 40k 50k charges to the students. Okay, and there is a no guarantee of the placement. So my dear friends, don't lose this opportunity. I think it's a very best opportunity to you. So my dear friends and students, if you like this course and if you want to make a career in the software testing, so don't lose this opportunity, because we are giving you 50% discount in the current course. And if we talk about the as comparison to other institute, we are taking very less charges. Okay, and most of the students are taking 40k 50k. Okay, and there is a no guarantee of the placement, right? So don't worry about it my dear friends and students. Enroll now. The link is descriptions below. Bye bye.